So I took my twists out. Now I look like I came straight off of the color purple. So guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Day again. And today we're gonna be doing something I haven't done in over 6 months. And we're gonna give myself a silk press at home because your girl don't got the funds right now to go to the salon. Times is tough. So I haven't done this in a minute and I can't walk around with my head looking like this. I mean I could, but I'm not the type to, I don't know how to do natural hairstyles. Like I grew up, I don't want to say like whitewash. Like my mom only knew how to put my hair in braids or flat iron it and perm it when I was a kid. So I wish I could be like the Afro head girlies, but my hair texture and I gotta train it, and we're gonna do silk press. I'm a little worried because when I took my braids out, the roots were somewhat dreaded and I did not detangle my roots. So we're gonna see how that goes. So first I'm just gonna blow it dry, and then tomorrow I'm gonna silk press it. It is also currently 1 in the morning and I realized I didn't want to go to church tomorrow with my head looking like this. Alright y'all, it's actually 2 days later. I didn't actually do it on Sunday and I was too lazy, so we're gonna do it now. I keep seeing stuff. We're gonna do the silk press. So I have my flat iron here. This is the old flat iron that my mom gave me years ago. When I blew my hair dry, I used a silk blowout spray anyway. So then I used my Keratin smoothing oil. What I'm also gonna do is I'm gonna go in with this oil mist. If I'm not using the proper products that a black woman should be using, like me, let me know, because I don't know what's new. Like I'm not hip. I'm not hip. How I do my hair is I section it. I actually use this this brush that you can like just kind of straighten, but like I use it while flat ironing it. So you guys will see. Y'all will see. I apologize if the quality of the sound isn't as great, or if you can hear like just about everything. But what I'm going to do first is I'm going to part my hair. So actually, I like to do this side first because it's my least dominant side, and I'll screw it up first. And then I'm going to part it again. So I'm actually like pretty ass at parting. Like I don't really part correctly, because as long as the hair gets done, it is what it is. Now I don't know how to do like even parts. I wing it. I can't see. Maybe it's even, maybe it's not.
No ma'am.
Probably not, because I feel hair all over.
No ma'am.
I already sprayed this. I'm gonna just do a spritz again. And I try to keep this not too hot. So it's on 400. Then I go like this. I try not to burn myself. And I do it slow. I have a problem where everything has to be perfect. If I need to, I'll go back over. And that's it. I'm gonna make sure I got my roots. Normally I have a hairdresser who would, do this, but I already told y'all I don't have the funds.
Whoa.
I guess it looks good. Like, I can't see. I really can't see, y'all. I don't feel like it looks chopped. Like, my biggest pet peeve is puffy roots. I can't stand it. I can't do puffy roots. Like, if a hairdresser does my roots puffy, I will come home and I will flatten them myself. Stiff, it's stiff, it's stiff. I thought I felt some puffiness. I was about to flip out. No puffiness here. I should have did the other side first because I just realized I actually have a hard time on this side. I feel like I blew through this. Inches where? Alright, I'm nervous about this side because I gotta go like this, and I realized I should have did this side first because this is my easiest side. Okay. I have no choice but to put a ponytail holder on the side, or else my hair will tangle. Wish me luck. I'm very nervous about this, y'all. I can't see. So instead of using that, I'm gonna do this. Let's go. I'll be right back. I gotta help my grandpa put his TV up.
Huh?
Okay, guys. So at this point, by the time I came back from helping my grandpa, it had already been an hour and a half later, and I was hot, sweaty, and exhausted. So as y'all can see, I'm kind of rushing through it and not even caring about the roots or perfection or anything. I just wanted this hair done. And since I started with my easiest side first, I was already like frustrated having to finish my non-dominant side, but it all seemed to pretty much end up pretty decent. So I don't know about y'all, but I think it turned out pretty good. I'd also have been on the phone with my boyfriend, so that's why I wasn't really talking, because he interrupted my video. Where? Stiff wear. Anyway, y'all, this is the final look. Now, is it completely silk pressed? It's decent. Like, it's flat iron. I silk pressed it. It's silk pressed. This is definitely a silk press. But I think it looks good. Like, I haven't had my hair like this in forever. But y'all gonna catch me in a wig very, 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 very soon. Very soon, y'all will catch me in a wig. Anyway, I hope y'all enjoyed this little silk press video. It actually took way shorter than I thought. I did have to help my grandfather for an hour, but it is what it is. Let me know in the comments what y'all think. What are we thinking? It's just a little short video, nothing crazy. But anyway, if you guys liked it, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. Let me know what else you guys want to see me do in the comments. I'll see y'all next time.